Production.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bert Collins. I'm back with another video. I got a double unboxing today. So do those three things for me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get on my videos. Alright? God, I gotta stop saying do I look tired? Comment below. Let me know if I look tired. It's kind of late. What time is it? Yeah, it's past 1 o'clock. I couldn't sleep. And I knew I had these packages sitting down here, so I was like, you know, might as well shoot a video. Get it out of the way. And then I'll post it sometime tomorrow, you know. So, I'm just going to get straight into it because why not? Where is it? I ain't got no knife or nothing. Wow. This isn't going over well. Alright, so the first thing I got. God damn. You could steal this if you wanted to. These U-line. No joke. Anyways. The first thing I got. I can't even get in this thing. Alright. Just a second. Alright. I got it. I got this under control. So, this right here is something I ordered just a couple weeks ago from this company that I've been messing with lately. Saya Collective. I needed a new wallet, man. My wallet is, well, okay, so the original wallet I had was from Italy and it got stolen out of my car. And so this thing I've been wearing, it's like literally breaking into pieces. It's not a wallet, it's like a, I don't even know what to call it, but it's breaking into pieces. So Saya Collective had their coin pouch slash card holder. And I was like, oh, that'd be perfect. And it was only $25, so you can't beat that. Oh yeah. Check this out. This is dope. Look at that. Look at that clasp. Nice little coin pouch. I ain't gonna really put no coins in there. But this is genuine leather. It's super soft. It's that tumble leather that everybody likes on their Jordans. This stuff is nice. I'm actually really excited about this right now. Oh man. I actually got a pair of shoes coming from Saya Collective too. So I know if the quality of their wallet is this. Oh yeah. Them shoes are gonna be fire. I can't wait to do my shoe review on those. Look at that. Saya Collective. Shout out D Nice, man. I'm sorry. This is good for me when I'm at work. You feel me? Like, I wouldn't be wearing this, but I'm just saying, like, boom. It won't ever fall out of my pocket. You know what I'm saying? And if it did fall out of my pocket, it'd be attached. This is fire. $25, man. Real genuine leather. Look at the card holder. Put some cards in there. Yeah, man. D, you did your thing, man. This is dope. Yeah, that's dope. I fuck with this. In fact, let me put it on right now. Alright. So that's the first. That was the first unboxing. Unbagging, unboxing, unpacking. But this is what everybody's here for, right? Now this shoe I won on a raffle. So I don't really know what to expect. So it happened to be the 350. The 350 boost. That linen. The linen. The Yeezy 350 boost linen. How do you like that? Is it clear to you? Huh? Alright, let's actually open the box. I always showed the shoe before. I want to see it first. Yeah, these are tough. All right. Yeah, these are tough. These are super tough. The Yeezy 350 Boost linen. Look at that. My first pair of boots, man. 350s. My first pair of boots was some NMDs that I have. But this is my first pair of Yeezy boots. I like the colorway. It's like a tan cream, peachy. Not even peachy. I would say more of a tan or cream. It's like a translucent. I do not know what color this is. That's you got a little gum bottom. Wow. Gray interior. Says Yeezy. You can barely see it. Says Yeezy. On the inside. I like it. It's like a simple colorway. Like an earth tone. I don't even know. Is that reflective? I can never tell. These are dope. These are a keep. These are a keep for sure. For sure. Let me grab the other one. Yeezy linen. Dope. Dope. first pair, man. I'm not gonna do an outfit. It's so late tonight. It's like I said, it's like 1 o'clock. I'm not doing an outfit. But comment below, man. Tell me what you think. Did you hit on these? If you did, how did you get your pair? Like I said, I got mine on the Adidas website through the raffle. It's my first time winning a raffle, so that's legit. Makes me feel like I can copy Yeezys now. Yeah, these are lit, man. Comment below, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm not gonna hold you guys, man. This is a good pickup, man. So shout out to Kanye and Adidas for these Yeezys. These are dope. Side Collective for the coin pouch / card holder. Super dope. It's your boy Bird Collins. I've already tapped in, man. I'm tapping out. I'm about to go to bed. Peace.